Welcome to the ESChat tutorial on messages. In this overview, we will cover how to use the Messages tab for D-pad devices. ESChat secure messaging can include text and image attachments, and all messages are encrypted using AES 256. The Messages tab shows a summary list of all sent and received messages. Sent messages are color-coded to indicate whether they have been successfully delivered and read. This information is also displayed beneath the message preview. Received messages are also color-coded, displaying a red arrow for unopened messages. Select a message to view or reply. Messages will unroll in threads, with information on the number of recipients who have both received and opened your sent messages. Press the directional keys to scroll through the messages. To reply, scroll back to the message box and begin composing your message. You may include an image by pressing the soft key located beneath the Attach option. Users may choose to take a new photo or use a pre-existing one. Select an image. The app will automatically navigate back to the message box. To send the message, press the soft key located beneath the Send option. By selecting an image in the thread, users have the option to save or share attachments. Once selected, a notification will appear confirming the action. Next, we will cover how to initiate a message from the Contacts, Channels, and Recent tab. We'll begin at the Contacts tab. Navigate to the Contacts tab by pressing the soft key located beneath the menu option. Then, scroll down and select the Contacts tab. You may long press on a single contact or select multiple contacts, then long press to reach the secondary menu. Then select Messages. The app will open a new or pre-existing conversation depending on your message history. Next, we will send a message from the Channels tab. Navigate to the Channels tab by pressing the soft key located beneath the menu option. Then, scroll down and select the Channels tab. Then long press on the channel you wish to message. Select Messages. You may now compose a message. Next, we will send a message from the Recent tab. Navigate to the Recent tab by pressing the soft key located beneath the menu option. Then scroll down and select the Recent tab. Then long press on a recent call. Then select Messages. You may now compose a message. For additional assistance, visit the ESChat support page.